Hi there, Jennifer Boylan here, and today I just wanted to share a little bit of information with you. As you may or may not know, this weekend I'll be going to Denver, Colorado for an absolutely amazing event with Empower Network. And I'm so excited. I cannot wait. It's going to be in 3 days from now, and I just cannot wait. I can't sleep. All I keep thinking about is going to Denver and meeting these awesome people, reuniting with people that I had met at the last event in Chicago, and I'm so stoked. But what I wanted to share with you today is, if you're not going to Denver, first of all, you're missing out big. Your business is missing out big. And, if you want to find out how you can go to Denver, click this link below, join me now and purchase your ticket because you're not going to want to miss out. Now, I understand that not everybody is going to be able to go to Denver. So this is what I wanted to share with you. The owners of Empower Network have told us that they are going to be announcing something huge this weekend. And I don't know what it is. And I've heard from many leaders of the company that it's just going to be amazing. It's going to blow our minds. But what I do know is that while they're announcing this huge announcement, you should be growing your business now, because I know that whatever it is that they're going to be rolling out this weekend is only going to grow our business 3 times faster and 3 times larger. So the reason why, this is my cat Peter, but the reason why I share this with you is because I want you to be a part of this. Everyone talks about Empower Network being a movement, and it really is. We've got over 160,000 people that are a part of this community, and we're only getting bigger. We're only growing from nation to nation. We're in over 100 countries, so there's no excuse. There's no excuse about language barriers. You can't even use technology as an excuse to not work this business, because really all you need is a computer and a cell phone, and you've got it. So while I'm in Denver, if I don't see you there, I really want you to get started now. Get started now. Join my team so we can start working together and you can start creating, a massive business for you. But you need to take action now. So click this link below. Get started now. Get reintroduced to the company. I know you've been seeing emails upon emails from me, but this is real. And I wanted to share this with you, and I hope to see you on the other side, and I hope to see you at the next event. Bye.